Our energy use is growing, and so is the strain on our planet's energy resources. Almost 4% of the world's electricity is used by data centers, and we all use data centers for our smartphones, tablets, streaming, the internet, and other services located in the cloud. According to the Danish Energy Agency, 17% of Denmark's total power consumption in 2030 will go towards data centers. Asetek's patented technology can reduce the energy data centers use for cooling by up to 50%. This is done by cooling the processors directly instead of cooling the entire rack. Let's look at a hyperscale data center just like those currently being established in Denmark. Typically, they get green energy from wind turbines, which is great. But regrettably, a lot of the energy used in data centers is wasted. Air-cooled data centers cool the entire server room. Asetek's patented liquid cooling provides an energy-efficient alternative to air-cooled data centers. With Asetek's technology, we can recoup the energy spent cooling the processors and, for example, provide 60 degrees Celsius water for remote heating of local homes. One might wonder if 60 degrees Celsius water is hot enough. Experts tell us it is, and with Asetek's technology, the 60 degrees Celsius water temperature does not fluctuate. If liquid cooling technology from Asetek were installed in Danish data centers, we could provide the current remote heating network in Denmark with 60 degrees Celsius water, the ideal temperature for remote heating, according to experts. Together, we could heat the cities of Aarhus, Aalborg, and Odense with only the heat extracted from Danish data centers. In addition to electricity being sourced by green wind turbines in Denmark, we can also reuse green energy to provide district heating and still reduce the energy used for cooling those same data centers by up to 50%. Asetek technology is in use today, reducing the energy required for cooling in data centers. At the moment, 13 of the world's fastest supercomputers use Asetek technology, according to the November 2018 Top 500 list. 3 of which are in the top 20. Among them are the fastest supercomputers in Taiwan and in Japan, several US research and defense institutions, and Japanese universities. While cars and trucks are subject to extensive regulations and EU requirements when it comes to pollution and energy use, there are no such demands made on data centers in the EU. There is no question that there will be an exponential increase in data centers in our future. Already, data centers are making a significant impact on our shared resources, and that's something we think we should change. Liquid cooling technology from Asetek can reuse 75% of the total energy used in data centers as 60 degrees Celsius hot water. That means that total energy used by data centers can be reduced by up to 25% since our technology of cooling only the processors, not the whole room, is a lot more efficient. So not only can we help save energy use in the data center, with Asetek technology, much of the energy used by data centers can be reused outside of the data centers. In fact, this energy saving corresponds to the CO2 footprint of all civilian air traffic. Asetek, environmentally aware technology for data centers.